If you're new a trader in the Forex market and you don't know how to manage your psychology, this video is for you. We will learn about how to manage the psychology, simplify the trading method, and also reduce the noise. So without further ado, let's get started. In the Forex market, there are a lot of aspects to becoming a profitable and professional traders. Imagine you have a great strategies, but you don't know how to manage your psychology. Everything means nothing. In the Forex market, when you have a great strategy, it must be followed by a good and correct mindset. First thing first, you must have a good mindset and correct mindset in the Forex market. The correct mindset actually having a business. Having a business means when you are having an account, and then you're trying to get the money from the market, it means your account, your Forex account, it is a business. So you have to manage and think about it like a business, not like a gambling. When you have a business, there is a risk, there is a profit. When you put that mindset into your Forex activities or even wrong activity inside the Forex market itself. Number two, simplify your strategy. What I mean by that is actually you must make your chart as clean as possible. Reduce the noises so you will focus easily to your charts. Just use one up to two indicators only, that is enough. If you put all the things you have learned into one chart, there will be a lot of noises, then that noise or even noises can distract your focus. Imagine your chart will be seen like this. Then my question, how can you make a good trade with this kind of chart? You make your own noises that can distract your focus and your psychology. When your psychology is distracted, you cannot make a good trade. So to make a good trade, you need to reduce all of them into a clean chart. Make it as clean as possible so you can focus and make a good trade. Now, what if we made a mistake instead of a good trade? Then we lost everything you have. Let's say you make a margin call. What should we do then in this kind of situations? Well, to rebuild our confidence, we need to stop trading. Remember, stop trading. Why? It is simple, because we have made a mistake and then probably we made an over trade. So we need to stop. The first thing first you need to do is stop. And then from there, you need to evaluate your trading, evaluate your trading plan, evaluate your psychology. And the last one, of course, trade. Do not stop trading because trading is our career in this case. Once again, stop, evaluate, and trade. That's what happens if we have made a mistakes. That's the worst case. I have an experience when I lost 20 million rupiah only in 3 days. I know this amount of number probably small for some people, but not for me. It's quite big, and I spent it and lost it for only 3 days. I made a mistake. I made over trading, and I did not stop at that time. I felt I was the worst person in the planet at the time. I did not stop. I kept trading, then I lost everything. So first thing first I did at the time, actually I stopped and then I evaluate my trading plan. But the sad thing is actually the trading plan was good at that time. Nothing wrong with it. The problem was my psychology. The market hit me harder than I couldn't control myself at that time. That's what was happened. And then from there I evaluate, and that's what I have found, that my psychology was wrong. Then I try to rebuild my confidence again, my portfolio with a good strategies, another one based on the evaluation I got. So now I hope you learned a lot from this video, how to control and manage your psychology in the market. Practice makes perfect. If you cannot control your psychology at the moment, it's better for you to practice it, jump into the market, use a small of money, remember the drawback or the risk management, and from there you can learn the psychology and you can control your emotions better. And if the worst case happened, you remember this, stop, evaluate, and trade again. One last takeaway that I can tell you and remind us is this. If you are a professional, just remember this. Trading is like your career, like what you do for your living. So do not play around with it, but make sure you focus on it. Make it like a professional activity. Then you can earn money from it. So you can make money from it. Then, of course, we believe that someday it can be trading for a living. And that's all. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.